In this world, it doesn't matter whether someone is rich or poor. Everyone has 24 hours in a day. Then why it is so that some people go ahead in their life but some people get stuck in a position for the whole life? Today I am going to discuss about this topic from the book Rajal Neeti Time Management by Rajal. Because at a very young age, this book's author Rajal has gotten 9 degree certificates, among which there are 4 professional degrees like LLB, journalism, pgdba and B level. The interesting thing about this book is that there are a lot of real life examples given in this book to make us understand why time is so important in our life, and if we want, how we can easily manage our time. So let's see some of the awesome smart ideas from this book. There is a lot of money left on our road. Some of them are 1, 2, 5 and 10 rupees coins, and some of them are 10, 20, 500 and 2000 rupees notes. Two friends are collecting those money very fast so that no one else can take those money before them. But here the first friend is collecting only the coins and the second friend is collecting only the notes. Can you guess which friend will collect more amount of money and which friend is more clever? Yes, you are right. One who is collecting only the coins is a stupid, while the other one who is collecting only the notes is so smart. But most of the time in our life, we also act like that stupid friend while managing our time, as he was doing by only collecting coins. That is, we spend our most of the time doing less valuable things where we can use those time in doing some more valuable things that will give us more and better results in our life. Like if you are a student, then you should spend most of your time studying those questions which are likely to help you secure more marks in your exam. And in the exam also, you should attend those questions first which answers you know very well. So smart idea number 1, use your time smartly. There are 2 twin brothers living in a city. Both of them was born at the exact same time in the same family with the same face, height and parents. But today, the circumstances in both of their lives are completely different. One of them has completed engineering degree from one of the very famous college in India, and currently he is working in a multinational company at a very well position. But the other one is still struggling to secure a good income even at the age of 30. So why is it so? Because the second brother had not studied anything after his 10+2. He had wasted all of his time roaming around with bad people and gossiping around with them. Now at the age of 30, when he is finding it difficult to secure a good income, he is confused about what to do. Whether he should again start his study or should he start doing some kind of job. I believe you must also know someone who has wasted all of his precious time in his earlier life just like one of the twin brothers, and now he keep regretting for that all day long. Intelligent person is someone who learns from others' mistakes. So I hope you will not let your condition to become like that stupid twin brother who first wasted time and later time wasted his life. So smart idea number 2, stop wasting your time. A man is waiting in a long queue to buy a train ticket. After waiting for an hour, when finally it was his turn, the person sitting on the ticket counter asked him where he wanted to go. The man said, "I don't know where I want to go." You may be thinking, is that man a stupid or what? If he didn't know where he wanted to go, then why had he waited in that long queue for an hour? But the sad truth is, the condition of maximum of us is just like that stupid man. Our problem is that we start doing whatever work come in front of us. What to do, when to do, how to do, and what can be done by someone else, we never think about these things. So as you stand in a queue to buy a ticket after deciding where you want to go, similarly, you should always fix your end goal first before start doing any work. Then you need to figure out ways to do the work more easily in less time. Many studies have also shown that if we do proper planning before start doing any work, then we can save up to 90% of our time. So smart idea number 3, fix your goal first. There were 2 woodcutters living in a colony named Chalak Chetan and Ghasita Ram. Among them, Chalak Chetan always used to cut more woods. So one day, Ghasita Ram decided that from then he would add more hours to his work so that he could beat Chalak Chetan in wood cutting. So first he added 1 hour to his work, but still he was lagging behind Chalak Chetan. so he added 2 more hours to his work. But the interesting thing is that after adding 2 more hours to his work, he was able to cut even lesser woods than before. It made Ghasita Ram disappointed. So he decided to ask Chalak Chetan about his secret of cutting more woods in less time. On the next morning, when Ghasita Ram asked Chalak Chetan about his secret of cutting more woods, Chalak Chetan replied that he used to take a rest of 30 minutes after continuously cutting woods for 2 hours. And in those 30 minutes, he used to sharpen his axe. Because if he continued with that axe for long hours without sharpening it, then after a time, he would be unable to cut even one wood in an hour. So Chalak Chetan was doing smart work while Ghasita Ram was doing hard work, and the result is in front of your eyes. Just like that, before start doing any work, if you take some experts' advice on that particular field, then you can also save a lot of time. So smart idea number 4, smart work is always better than hard work. Rajal Neeti Time Management, a book by a young Indian writer Rajal, is a very good book. After reading it, if we want, we can easily apply the ideas in our life which are shared in this book by Rajal, and it will definitely help us to achieve more in less time. And the best thing is that this book is written in very simple Hindi language. So if anyone likes to read books in Hindi or wants to learn Hindi by reading books, then I will definitely suggest him to read the book. If you want, you can buy this book by following the link given below in the description. At last, a little request to you. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends so that they can also find solution for life problems. Thanks for watching. More wisdom, more solution, better life.